Jamel and Shantae Stagg welcomed baby JuJu to their family in 2015, but just a few months later, their pediatrician expressed some concerns.
We went for his pediatrician, his 3-month checkup. She didn't tell me personally that she felt like something was wrong, but she referred him to physical therapy because she said he didn't have head control at that time. And that's kind of how the whole journey began.
After testing, the family received a devastating diagnosis. JuJu had a rare condition known as AADC deficiency.
AADC deficiency is a genetic disorder affecting around 135 children worldwide. Children who are born with AADC deficiency are missing an enzyme that produces dopamine in the central nervous system. Without this enzyme, children lack muscle control and are unable to speak, feed themselves, or even hold up their head.
Children with AADC deficiency require round-the-clock care. They also suffer from seizure-like episodes called ocular gyrate crises that can last for hours.
And it's painful. It's painful for them. They kind of just cry and cry and cry. And so that's what we literally would sit on the couch with him for however long he was in it, just trying to cuddle him and comfort him as much as we could.
Desperate for help, the Staggs, who live in Washington State, traveled across the country to the Ohio State University Wexner Medical Center, where a pioneer in human genetics, Dr. Krystof Bankiewicz, was conducting a clinical trial testing a new type of gene therapy.
In our work, we developed a method to reprogram the defective gene and to deliver a correct one into the brains of children with AADC deficiency.
During the gene therapy procedure, the new genes are slowly infused into the patient's brain using devices Dr. Bankiewicz and his team helped develop. The team guides the new genes to a specific target within the brain and watch in real time through MRI imagery as the genes take place in the brain. From there, the brain cells begin to adopt the new gene and begin to perform the functions programmed in the new gene.
So in the case of children with AADC, the cells begin the signaling process to tell the brain to produce dopamine, which children like JuJu need to develop muscle control.
The first night we actually saw him, we sat him down in front of the TV, but we put pillows around him, and he was doing his little wobble thing, and we're like, hold on, he's not falling back. And we both sat on the couch together, and we looked like, we're actually sitting on the couch without him. This is crazy, because we never had any like alone time since he's been born. Now seeing him pick up toys, and or if I can put something in my hand and he can just grab it out, it's really cool.
Today, Dr. Bankiewicz and Lonzer are taking the methods they've developed in genetic conditions like AADC to apply them to broader neurologic conditions.
We are conducting clinical trials right now to investigate if these same methods can work to modify the genes of people experiencing neurologic conditions like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's disease.
These are the first trials of their kind to take place in humans, and it's happening right here at The Ohio State University at our Gene Therapy Institute. Using this game-changing technology, this interdisciplinary team has been able to change the lives of individuals with these rare and even potentially fatal genetic conditions. We believe that we can apply these same therapies to diseases that affect thousands and even millions of patients. Now that is impact.
For the Stagg family, Dr. Bankiewicz and his gene therapy work has already been a game changer, something that is not lost on Krystof Bankiewicz.
So helping patients like JuJu has been the most profound moment of my scientific life.
Your support can fuel life-changing research at the Ohio State Gene Therapy Institute.